Hello, this is Claude, and today I'm gonna do a quick unboxing and not a review, but see if it works good of that the Glorious or PC Gaming Race switch opener. I have purchased a whole bunch of things from Glorious, and I will do the review and unboxing of all of those separately. Everything that I buy for my own use. Not sponsored, not nothing. I buy everything. My opinion is biased, but it's unbiased in the sense that I don't do it, to get free stuff or everything I review. I purchase myself. I owe nothing to anybody. Let's do that. A little rough on the box. So that's their switch opener. There's a little case. Their packaging is always good. All right. Plastic. Hear it? Plastic. Okay. Not impressed. I thought it was. I didn't read. I just ordered it. So not impressed with that. This one is from AliExpress. Aluminum. Love this thing. Right. I bought some that are on Amazon that are 3D printed. Actually, it's okay, but it's not that good. So this is by far the flimsiest that I got. You see Glorious logo. So that's how it is. So but this is flimsy. Don't like it. This is never gonna break, and this is just a step away from being broken, so I don't like that. Should have done that. A nice aluminum cast would have been great. So first thing, does it work? That's the question we have to ask. Let's do this. It should go right in this one here. Yep, go under the little tabs over here. I don't know if it's gonna see, but it should go under the little tabs. I'll zoom in a little bit. Right, should go the little tabs are is what we want to lift, so they're on the side. Right, put this in here, push down. It's okay, not that good. Leave, change it, switch it sides. Yeah, it's okay. And then after that, you just open the switch. All right, I'll close it back. That's okay. Let's compare with my other one. Love my little cat. Right, switch is closed, snapped, and everything. Put on the sides. And it's done in the first pass. So this is better. This is what the switch looks like from the inside, if you wonder. All right, with the leaf in the back that makes the contact. So overall, for this Glorious, I'll close it after. For the Glorious, switch opener, I will rate it at a 5 out of 10. That's a 9 out of 10. So yeah, it's flimsy, and it's gonna break easily, and it doesn't open the switch as good. It's just one. I tried it once, but the other one you just push, it opens both sides. This one I had a hard time opening the other side. So is it gonna do the job? Yeah, but it's cheap. I bought this one AliExpress with post for about $10, and this one's about the same price. So might as well be patient and get the right thing. All right, so that is it for that switch opener, that Glorious switch opener. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.